Hi guys, welcome to Chillipot kitchen. My name is Darshini. Chicken wings in the air fryer are brilliant and you'll be making chicken way more often if you try them in the air fryer. I didn't use any oil except for greasing the pan. It's zero oil, yet it's crispy. The forced circulating hot air makes the chicken super crisp, which is difficult to achieve in a conventional oven, and the center is perfectly cooked, tender and juicy. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Today I'm going to make a lemon pepper seasoning. I made a ranch dip at home and shared the recipe in this video. Watch it till the end. I'm using my Instant Vortex Plus air fryer. You can use any air fryer, but the time might slightly vary. If you don't have an air fryer, you can bake these chicken wings in a conventional oven. Preheat the oven at 400°F and bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until crispy. Make sure to flip the chicken wings after 30 minutes. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Looking for more Instant Pot or electric pressure cooker, air fryer and Instant Pot blender recipes? Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy and tasty video recipes. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Please do click the notification bell icon to get an update on my new videos. Let's get started to see how to make crispy chicken wings in the air fryer. First, let's prep the chicken. If your wings are not pre-cut, clean the wings and remove the tips of chicken wings and split at the joint. Then pat dry with paper towel and trim off any excess loose fat. Check on the ingredients for the dry wrap. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To a bowl, add salt, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder. Adding pepper is optional. Give it a quick mix. Rub it gently over the chicken. This dry rub gives the best flavor to the chicken, so don't skip this step. Keep it aside. Let's make the flour mix for a thin coating. Check on the ingredients. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To a bowl, add all-purpose flour, salt and pepper. Give it a quick mix. If you don't want the flour coating, you can skip this step by adding 1 tablespoon of oil to the chicken before rubbing the dry ingredients. Just coat the chicken with the flour mix. We need a very thin coat. Place it in the wire rack or plate. It's ready. Now preheat the air fryer for 2 to 3 minutes. Mine will preheat itself, so I'm just setting the temperature to 375°F and set the time for 22 minutes. I love my chicken to be well cooked and crisp. You can adjust the time as you like your chicken to be. Grease the pan with oil. Arrange the chicken in the tray or basket. Don't overcrowd it, it might affect the cooking time. Preheating is done. I'm using the silicone trivet mat to avoid the mess on the glass door. Keep the tray inside and let it cook. I have shared a link for this silicone mat in the description box below. If you need one, please do check it. One more tip, cover the bottom rack with aluminum foil for easy clean. Make sure to flip the chicken every 8 minutes for even color. If you have a roastery basket, you can use them. If you are using 2 racks at the same time, make sure to swap the trays in between. By this time, let's make the ranch dipping and seasoning. Check on the ingredients to make the ranch dipping sauce. Take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To the bowl, add mayonnaise. I'm adding homemade eggless mayonnaise. I have shared a recipe link in the description box below. Please do check it. add sour cream, and milk, lemon. Mix it well. Now add dry ingredients, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley, salt and pepper according to your taste. Mix it well. Our super yummy ranch dip is ready. It's super simple. Just cover it and refrigerate it until you use it. Let's make a lemon pepper seasoning. Check on the ingredients, take a screenshot of ingredients or check the description box below later. To the melted butter, add lemon pepper seasoning and parsley. Give it a quick mix. You can use any seasoning instead. Our lemon pepper seasoning is ready. Keep it aside. Chicken wings are done. It's good. I'm going to brown it for a minute at 400 Fahrenheit. Chicken wings are ready. Wow, look at that crispy layer and lovely golden brown color. You can eat as it is or add seasoning of your choice. Toss the fried chicken wings with seasoning. Enjoy it hot with ranch dip. You won't believe I didn't add any oil at all. Look at that, it's so crispy. I love making chicken wings in the air fryer. Please do try it. It's a good low carb food. It's a perfect appetizer for a game day or for any parties. Do try these super yummy and crispy chicken wings in the air fryer. Enjoy it. Thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. Do try this recipe at your home and give me a feedback in the comment section below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Pin the recipe on Pinterest. If you have any questions or feedback, write it in the comment section below. I will respond to it as soon as possible. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.